Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sango channel. For this video, we would like to introduce our VNA, and our VNA come with two series. One is a benchtop VNA BN1000, and another one come with USB VNA BN100. So as you can see, this is our benchtop VNA and also our USB VNA. Other than that, we also provide the calibration kits. We do have the SMA and the N-type connectors. Meanwhile, we also provide the RF cable for 9 GHz and also up to 18 GHz. Our BN100 USB VNA, and this one is connected with the USB, and we also do provide the software application as you can see in the laptop. Okay, so once we open up, this is how it looks like. This is our user interface. So first of all, I would like to demonstrate how can we do the calibrations. So as you can see, the mouse cursor pointed to the calibration kit. We do have a lot of model of calibration kit, as you can see over here. Okay, let's say if you already have the calibration kits, but that's not preset in our system, what you can do is that you can select the user calibration kits and we back to the previous page and we edit the cal kits. Okay, from here, as you can see, there's an open for male, female, short, male and female, load and through. Okay, you can download your existing calibration kits model datasheet and point to the correct connector type and fill in all the parameters inside over here. Same as the short and also the load. Once everything is done, you can save it as the name you wish to be called. Let's say we set to the dash. And in future, you just select the cal kit that you already set and start do the calibrations. Okay, so today I want to demonstrate with our own calibration kits. So as you can see, this is our SMA type of the calibration kits, and it's showing the open, short and load. Okay, what we need to do is that we select the calibrations, select one part calibrations. Okay, and this one is a mirror type. We just select the mirror type and connect our cable with our calibration kit. Click open and change it to others. Short and load. Once it's done, we just click on done button and we can check our return loss S11 by adding the marker over here. Check across the frequency and calibration is done. Okay, right, so next we're going to do is that we will demonstrate how can we measure the antenna return loss and the impedance. Okay, as you can see, we found one Bluetooth antenna and connect to our cable. Okay, next what we need to set is that we want to check what is this frequency resonant. So we set below -10 on the return loss and add another marker into the -10. Okay, so this is the frequency range, and what else we can do? We can go with the auto scale to have a better view of the measurements. Okay, then we can showing the two display. We can select two number of trace to 2 and allocate trace to 2. Okay, the second trace same, we measuring the S11, but we showing the format in the Smith chart. Or we can allocate another trace, third trace, and in this format select the third trace measuring the S11 and change the format to the impedance or SWA. Okay, scale same, we can auto scale all. And this is the antenna performance. We can have a log mag, Smith chart, and also the SWA, BSWA. So what else we can do is that we can go to the select analysis, set the limit line on, edit the limit, and set the rules. Next, the demonstration will be using the BM1000 4 port up to 8.5 GHz to measure the filter. Okay, today the filter we use is the 4.7 GHz with the span of with the bandwidth 600 megs. Okay, so as you can see right now we already done the calibration and connect to our BM1000 series. Okay, so as you can see this is the measurement of the filter. So what we need to do is that we will set the marker at 4.7 gigahertz at the center, and we add another markers which is 300 megahertz below, which is 4.4 gigahertz at 5 gigahertz. Okay, so as this is the measurement of filter performance, and we can set the same things, two trace, and second trace we can go with S11 scale, auto scale all, and we can do the calibrations. We can measure both at the same time. Okay, for S21 and also the S11 return loss. Same, we can, if we need to see all the readings, we can go to the marker analysis and marker tables on. As you can see, the channel 1 which the insertion loss measurements, and trace 2 is the return loss measurements. Okay, so same things with the BN 100. What we can done, we can allocate maybe